मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी.
Hello everybody, I'm Preeti Khetan and today I'll be teaching you the hook step of this new song Nach Meri Rani by Guru Randhawa and Nikita Gandhi. So let's learn the footwork first. I'll hop on my right leg first and my left leg will come up. Make sure that your left knee is coming up like this. So let's hop, and when we hop, just make sure you're hopping diagonally to your left with the right leg. How? Just watch. 1. Alright. So as you can see, I'm lifting up my left knee and I'm hopping on my right leg. Let's do it again. 1. One more time. 1. From here, I'll hop on my left leg and my right leg will be lifted up. 2. Yes. Let's do both the steps again. 1, 2. From here, I will place my right leg back and I'll just change the direction of my left foot and place it in place. Let's do all the 4 steps again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the trickiest part comes. The 5th step. From here, as you can see, I'm almost on the ball of my foot in the 4th step. So you have to step this left foot back. How? Like this. And the moment you step it back, the right leg will lift up twice. 1, 2. Yes. Watch again. 1, 2. Let's do all the steps again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And done. Now let's learn the hands and the body movement. So we have to keep our left hand like this, tucked in, or you can hold your dress. And with the right hand, make key hand with the right. And you have to bring your elbow in front of your audience. Yes? From here, you have to throw the right hand out and roll it once. Roll it and take it back. Yes? From here, the right hand will come near your chest and the left hand will join the right hand. I'll show you from the front, like this. Let's do it again. Elbow, roll it back and bring the hands here. From here, you have to slide your hands down as if you're cleaning something. Now let's learn the body movement. When you bring your elbow here, you have to contract your body. When you open your hand, you have to open your body. And when you bring your hands here and you slide down, you have to body wave. Lean back a little. 1, 2. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8 with the body movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we complete the hand and the body movement. Now let's combine the footwork, the hands and the body movement. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. We have to do this combination twice. So let's try it on music.
बनके बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिर नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी.
I hope you're enjoying the tutorial of Nach Meri Rani. So let's learn ahead. I'll tell you the body position first. So you have to go in squat position and you have to lean back. Yes, so that your pelvis is forward. I'll show you from the side. Going into the squat position and lean back. Coming forward. Squat, lean back. And what you have to do, don't look at my hands. I'm just taking my hands at the back so that you can focus on my legs. So you have to bring your right heel first in front towards your audience. Right, take it back. Now left, back and twice right now. 1, 2. Again, right, left, right, right. Moving the head, we have to do it 2 more times. Left and right. So in total, we are doing 6 counts. Let's do it. Squat, lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How my body is moving, how my hip is moving. So when I'm bringing my right heel forward, I'm taking my hip to the left. When I'm bringing my left heel forward, I'm taking my hip to the right. Easy. So let's combine the hip movement and the footwork. Squat, lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Now let's learn the hands as well. Take your hands up. As you can see, you can make gun hands, or you can keep your hands like this with open fingers. Take your hands up, and what you have to do? Bring your right elbow forward, then left, and then right twice. Again, right, left, right elbow, left and right. Because we did the footwork 6 times. And yes, now it's like a very groovy and very stylish move. So you have to roll your shoulders and really enjoy the step. Just make sure that your hand is not dropped. Both the hands are up. And really dance tall. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's combine the body movement, the footwork and the arms. Squat position, lean back, arms up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving ahead. From here, you have to face to your left. Take your arms in. Going down into flat back. Palms facing down. And from here, you have to hit it twice. The hand goes 1, 2. And with this, our hip and knee also goes. Ha, ha. Yes? So it's ha, ha. Give it to your maximum. So let's do the whole combination till here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here we finish our second combination. So let's try it on music.
Rani naach, naach meri rani rani, meri rani naach, naach meri rani rani.
Now let's learn the last combination. So we were here. Ha, ha. So we'll come in front. I'll teach you the legs first. So we will hop on our left leg now. 1, and I'm flicking my right leg. So we will flick it twice, okay? 1, 2. But as you can see, Nora is dancing like really big and huge. So we have to really open up our legs and kick it really back. And my knees will come in and out while doing the step. How? Just see from here, in, bring, in, throw, yes? So after the throw twice, you have to tap. If you remember, we did in first combination, tap, step, step. You're doing the same thing. So 1, 2, tap. Now the same thing, tap and tap. This time we are doing it on the right side. Again, 1, 2, tap, 3, 4. We have to repeat the combination. 1, 2, tap, 3, 4. As you can see, I'm doing the same body wave. Yes? And I'm a little down, a little into a plie kind of a position. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn the hands. We take the momentum inside, but the hands are going out basically. Out, in, up. The left hand is placed as if it's on the table, and the right hand is like this. And you have to tap twice up and then down twice. Tap, 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 tap. Alright? So 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yes? So let's combine the legs, hands and the body. From here, ha, ha. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Nice. Moving ahead. The best part about this combination, the finale thing is you have to repeat the same combination, the second one. If you remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now grab everything together and just drop down. Yes. So here we complete our third and the final combination. So can we try it in the music, the third combination?
Rani rani, naach meri rani rani, meri rani naach, naach meri rani rani, meri rani naach, naach meri rani rani, meri rani naach, naach meri rani rani.
So we have completed the hook step of Naach Meri Rani. So let's do it on counts first and then on music. 5, 6, Lesson 8. नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी. Wave, ha ha. नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी. Grab and drop. Now let's try the music.
बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिर. नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच, नाच मेरी रानी रानी.
Drop